This computerized speech laboratory was the best before because our mind always think that using computer is the best because it makes our job a lot easier and flexible. But as you might have observed, Microsoft always updated their operating system because they wanted to address the changing needs of their growing market. Windows 95 and 98 in the 90s. Windows XP in 2001, Windows Vista by 2006. Microsoft in 2009 released Windows 7, Windows 8 in 2012. In 2015 Microsoft released Windows 10. Microsoft also announced that Windows 10 would be the last version of Windows, meaning that users would receive regular updates to the OS but that no more large-scale revisions would be done. Imagine if you follow what your mind tells you, and you adopt every operating system that Microsoft presented to you. You could have lost fortunes in operating systems alone. This is the reason why most of the speech laboratories that used full computerized system, like the one in the Morogoro Vocational Teachers Training College, in Morogoro, Tanzania, East Africa and other schools, are no longer functional because when they upgraded the operating system, the software they used for language teaching needed to also be upgraded to be compatible with the new operating system, and manufacturers of the language teaching software maintained its software version because of the cost of production. We also hopped into the bandwagon of using full computers for the speech laboratory system, but because we care for our clients, and we don't want you to just waste your money, we just developed a computer-assisted speech laboratory with complete benefits you could avail of in the speech laboratory, like the student management system, modeling tools that show how sounds are produced and articulated, with complete illustrations of sound production based on the International Phonetic Alphabet, IPA, supported by enough and substantial verbal pronunciation exercises, so that your students speak like a native speaker. You will be amazed to know that as you use the Phonetic Speech Laboratory, your students could record their pronunciation during self-study and oral examination. You will feel wonderful when you realize that you can evaluate your students' pronunciation performance because the recorded pronunciation of your students are automatically saved onto your console. You can enjoy all of these when you use the Phonetic Speech Laboratory from Bottomline Speech Laboratory. The company that had been serving schools, colleges and universities for more than 27 years not only in the Philippines but also abroad like Tanzania, East Africa, and it is now proud to announce that it is expanding towards South Africa, the countries of the ASEAN and the United Arab Emirates. Thank you for your support and patronage, and for complete information you may call 0920539471 and enjoy more benefits and bonuses.